The International Criminal Court's governing body began its annual meeting in The Hague on Wednesday, declaring the key focus would be on diffusing an ongoing row between the ICC and some African countries. Some states want the trial of Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto delayed for a year. Both men face charges over violence that followed the country's disputed 2007 election. The United Nations recently rejected the request, and Wednesday's meeting began with a recommitment to that verdict.
The implications on peace and security of the ongoing investigations concerning Kenyan leaders are not so convincing and so grave as to warrant the deferral of these investigations.
The court's mandate requires the accused to be present at trials, and the Assembly President said the court had already tested those rules in the case of Kenya's Vice President.
Vice President Ruto is being regularly excused from presence in the court when he has state functions that he has to carry out. So really in this connection, I would say that the court is of course mindful also of a situation outside the courtroom.
However, the meeting will also focus on altering the Rome Statute, which governs the rules of the court, so the issue is unlikely to go away, particularly in the wake of Kenya's Westgate Mall attack. Western countries such as France see President Kenyatta as an ally in the fight against militant Islamists, and have indicated they would not be opposed to him receiving immunity from prosecution while in office. Human rights groups in Africa and elsewhere have been deeply critical of the idea of exempting standing leaders anywhere, arguing that would leave victims with no serious recourse to justice. The ICC was also keen to point out the list of African states joining the court is still growing, with Côte d'Ivoire being the latest. Barton, CCTV in The Hague.